4058 Narada Falls. We're in a gated community, and that's a community park over there. And as you can see, they have some grass and doggy bags. Remove the satellite dish. Maybe power wash the driveway. So we have...
This house is underpriced?
From the small amount of research I did, yes.
So it should be like, what, 310, 315?
That's what I thought. But I don't know the house's history.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we already have granite counters. It would be nice if there was an undermount sink. I think the cabinets need to be painted, but we'll get the property manager opinion on that. It's very wide and expansive. We already have a space saver microwave. So this is the master. We definitely need a blind here. I don't know about these. I mean, if people are gonna be sleeping in here, you would think so. You'd think you'd want blinds there. Remove the bidet on here and on the other bathtub. Obviously we need to fix that. So I was having trouble actually accessing this home. So I called Open Door. This needs to be painted. The cabinets are the sink itself is a little weird too. Looks like they sprayed a finish on it kind of poorly. Maybe it's not done yet. But Open Door said it's not actually on the market right now, even though it was clearly on the MLS. And these other people that you'll hear are buyers who saw it listed as well, and they wanted to see the property. So the patio shade is really high, which is not a bad thing. I'm just noting that. This is the north side of the house, so you're not really going to get a lot of sun anyway. The items need to be junked, but I'd be surprised if Open Door didn't remove it. I don't know what that is. Fairly private. You don't have a lot of windows from that house looking at this yard, and that, although there is a window, it's a picture window to a one-story. I don't know if we want to junk all these items. I don't know if these are going to stay. So there's no light in here, that's why it's so dark, but we do need a blind. The paint is a really nice neutral color. Remove that bidet and add a shower rod and a blind. The light fixture is really old looking too. That's just a sticker on the mirror that'll come off. Cabinet needs to be repainted. And here's the last room. It does have a fan with a light kit. Oh, I don't know, that looks kind of bad. I don't know if it's functional. I don't want to break it. The fan in the living room needs to be replaced or fixed. And usually it's cost effective just to replace it.